Wilfred Kiarie's The Digital Somnambulism takes us on an incredible journey through the cosmos. The story begins with humanity's first venture beyond Earth-Mars. Kiarie paints a vivid picture of the challenges and triumphs of establishing a colony on the Red Planet. We see scientists conducting groundbreaking research. We witness the development of new technologies. This Martian colony is not just a scientific outpost, but a testament to human resilience and our drive to explore. Our journey doesn't stop at Mars. The discovery of microbial life on Jupiter's moon Europa and complex organic compounds on Saturn's moon Titan pushes us further. These findings lead to the formation of the Interplanetary Council. This council signifies a new era of cooperation. It represents a shared commitment to understanding our solar system and the life it may hold. With a united front, humanity sets its sights on the stars. Our first interstellar mission takes us to Proxima Centauri b. It is here that we encounter the Lumari, an advanced alien species. This first contact is momentous. Kiarie masterfully depicts the initial apprehension and the eventual development of a bond based on mutual respect and understanding. The encounter with the Lumari paves the way for the Galactic Alliance. This alliance brings together diverse civilizations from across the galaxy. It is a testament to the power of diplomacy and collaboration. Together, these civilizations face emerging threats such as the mysterious Shadow Collective led by the enigmatic Phantom. To combat these threats, a special force is formed, the Guardians of the Galaxy. The digital somnambulism continues to expand its scope. Humanity, as part of the Galactic Alliance, embarks on an even more ambitious endeavor, an intergalactic mission to the Andromeda Galaxy. This mission is driven by the Cosmic Web Initiative, a project aimed at understanding the vast network of connections that link galaxies across the universe. In Andromeda, we encounter the Arilans. This technologically advanced species possesses a unique mastery of crystalline technology. The Arilans' understanding of the universe's interconnectedness is profound. Their knowledge, shared with the Galactic Alliance, leads to the creation of the Cosmic Nexus. This nexus serves as a hub for intergalactic cooperation and knowledge sharing. The Digital Somnambulism is more than just a thrilling space opera. It is a story about exploration, cooperation, and the pursuit of knowledge. Kiarie compels us to think about the future of humanity. He encourages us to imagine a future where we have moved beyond the confines of our planet and have become citizens of the cosmos. The book raises profound questions about the ethical implications of space exploration. How do we approach contact with new life forms? How do we navigate the complexities of intergalactic diplomacy? These questions are both timely and timeless. The Digital Somnambulism is a must-read for anyone who has ever looked up at the stars and wondered what lies beyond.